if we have a control and we turn it into a type def, then open the type def and save the type def, the type def and its instance are now linked. We can permanently remove the link between an instance of the type definition or strict type definition and the type definition or strict type definition by right clicking the instance and selecting disconnect from type def from the shortcut menu. But before that, let's see that there is this black rectangular glyph which shows that this is connected to a type def. So let's disconnect and let's confirm that the glyph is gone now. Disconnecting from the type definition or strict type definition removes the restriction on the data type of the instance. So now we can change the data type. It is now allowed. And this former instance is now either a control or an indicator.